Hello everyone, welcome to GoLearning Official's Do You Know series. In this video, we are going to see 3 different things that we come across in our lives. First, why there is a groove on the tip of a toothpick. Second, what is a small packet accompanying the newly purchased products and what is its use. Third, what is the actual use of Sodapop Tab in the can of a drink. We all would have noticed the grooves on the tip of a toothpick. Many of us would have thought those are just designs or they are given to provide grip. But those grooves have 2 reasons. Reason number 1. These grooves helps to break it from the end, which could be an indication that the toothpick is already used so that no one will use it again. The second reason is that after breaking the end, one can rest the toothpick on it and keep using it throughout his or her meal. This way, the tip doesn't touch the surface where it rests. Next, we will see about a small packet that is accompanying the newly purchased products. These packets are the Silica Gel packets, and this is a Desiccant, meaning that it can suck moisture out of its immediate environment up to 50% and thus helping to remove anything that can spoil with moisture. Many of us would put our phones in the rice when it's exposed to moisture. Silica Gel is a better alternative. Next, we will see the actual use of the Sodapop Tab. Every can of a drink comes with a tab for easy opening. These tabs have a large hole in the top. The tabs are actually to serve as the placeholder of your straws. Just spin the tab around and slip the straw in the hole and enjoy your drink. Please do not forget to subscribe our channel to get more such videos. Thank you.